Oh wow! That's my first sneeze on stream. I thought another one's gonna come out. History was made! My first ever sneeze on stream. I was here. Bless you. Thank you. Mr. PD Phrase, thank you so much for the super chat. Yep, I declared that it was cute. Are you sure? I feel like it's obnoxious. It's loud. Teach me how to have a cute sneeze, Pina. Was it cute? Because, like, you know, some people have it like, or like really cute, like, or something like that. Mine is not like that. Crazy Mike, thank you so much for the Taskaru. Energetic cute sneeze. Yeah, my sneezes are pretty loud. You think that's too loud? You should hear my dad sneeze. The sneeze scared me. Just kidding, it was cute.